January 26, 1930, the Indian National Congress revealed Purna Swaraj, the declaration of India's independence from the colonial rule. Later, on January 26, 1950, Indian Constitution came into effect, making the country a sovereign, secular and democratic nation. From then, India brought a new phase in every aspect of development. The recent COVID has shattered the world economically and socially, and India has been a victim of this. It's on our shoulders to build it again. There are various aspects in which India has made a significant move. Defense. In the 17th regular budget presentation of the current government, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman earmarked 4,71,378 crores for the Ministry of Defence, giving it the topmost priority. The Ministry of Defence has signed 14 new contracts of T-90 tanks, anti-submarine warfare, shallow watercraft, and Akash missile systems. India has also accelerated the development of the AMCA fighter jet. The DRDO is developing a man-portable air defense system. The IAF also boosted its strength by the arrival of the Rafale jets. India's foreign policy has always regarded the concept of neighborhood as one of the widening concentric circles around a central axis of historical and cultural commonalities. Not only this, the other key factor, education, is being worked on. We have moved a long way and made a wide progress in the fields of education sector. The Union Cabinet approved the new education policy, which aims at universalization of education from preschool to secondary level. Vaccination program. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the biggest mass vaccination drive against COVID-19. The world is looking up to India as it is a vaccine powerhouse with a proven record of low-cost manufacturing. The two vaccines, Covaxin and the Covishield, that is administered in India are Indian-made. India plans to vaccinate 300 million people this year and set an example by promising 20 million vaccines to its neighbors. Atmanirbhar Bharat. The self-reliant mantra Atmanirbhar Bharat was the weapon against the economic crisis caused due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced an economic stimulus of 20 trillion, which will play an essential role in making India self-reliant. Economy, infrastructure, technology-driven system, vibrant demography, demand are considered as the 5 pillars of Indian self-reliance. The farmers, the labourers, the cottage industry and other small-scale industries will be benefited from it. India recognizes the centrality of gender equality and women's empowerment in all aspects of our developmental journey. We have moved from a paradigm of women's development to women-led development. The government has taken a series of measures to ensure safety, security and well-being of women during the pandemic, including one-stop centers which provide medical, psychological, legal, police and shelter facilities under a common roof. All these programs and schemes will be making a quite noticeable change in our lives. Our professionals, security forces have played a very significant role during the past times. Let's not drown their efforts and hope for the best. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day.